What's going on, beautiful people? So I just recently got this new MIDI controller, the Donner Starrypad, and I like it. Now, I can't do certain things with it, like I am using FL Studio, and I can't use these transport buttons because it this uses CC, and in order to use the transport buttons you need to use MMC. It's MIDI talk, whatever. But besides all of that, after I was able to map everything, because it was a little bit fuzzy when I put it in FPC, I was able to make my own bank, and I only have a few of them right here right now. So I got that. Right there. I haven't put anything else in these banks yet. So I was like, you know what? Let's practice. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's one thing I also notice. The accidental touches when I do it, you register too much. I have it on full level right now, but even without full level, it'll still get a double touch here and there. But that works out in my favor sometimes. So yeah, I already made a few beats and you heard them on my other songs, but yeah, I'm having fun with this. I like this. This is something that, you know, once I get better with the finger drumming, I'm going to be making a lot more beats with it. But along the way, you'll hear the progression. Um, this is a thing that I actually got off of Temu for less than $50. It was like $47. And I saw it a few years ago when they was charging $150, $200 for it. And it's a good machine. You know, I saw it on Amazon for like $10 more, $20 more at times. But Temu, I got it for like $47. I don't know if that deal is gonna be forever, you know, and this ain't no advertisement. I ain't no affiliate. This is none. I ain't getting no money for this. I'm just, you know, talking about it because it's something new that I got and I like it. Um, I'll have to use the on-screen play and record, but other than that, I can map these. All I gotta do is hit the right click and on anything that I want to map them to, and if it's mappable, then I'll go link to controller and then choose the controller and go from there. You know, um, I think it's cool. I actually have the master volume on this one right here, so yeah. And I only have these three populated right now because I was just wanting to practice the finger drumming that you saw me doing. and maybe get some of the ones that I've created down, just easy memory, you know what I'm saying? Where I can just go. You know, whatever it is. And also, in order to make it so that the colors change, like I got this purple, white, green, this one is blue, rest of them, and I got that yellow, but rest of them are red. You have to download the software for this, and it's not really easily available on the website. You gotta really search for the specific Donner Starrypad editor software, because they'll keep trying to give you the user's manual as a PDF, and you need the actual software if you want to do any kind of changing and stuff like that. And the software lets you get more in depth with it, changing all types of stuff, and stuff that I don't even understand yet. So I have to do some more reading about it. Like I said, this is something new for me. But yeah, this is cool. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.